Here it is, the 2020 MacBook Pro with the M1 chip directly from China, or as Trump would say, China. The beautiful packaging on the back here. Let's see. Doesn't say much, but it is what it is. So we're gonna cut into this ever so gently. We don't need that. It's beautiful. Lift it up slowly because it's expensive. Boom! There it is. Lift it out. It's cold too. It's been on that truck for a long time. Got the charging cable. The designed by Apple stuff. And the charger. That's it. So, let's see. Do we get Apple stickers? Do we still get Apple stickers? I hope so. Hopefully they're... Yeah, look at that. They're beautiful. Alright. Don't care about anything else in here except for that. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, girl. It is. Now, the thing that I noticed right out the gate is this no longer lights up. On my old 13-inch MacBook Pro, this lights up. Oh, and it turned on right away! Dang! I was not expecting that. That's pretty neat right there. Alright, well, I'm gonna set it up and I'll be back. Here it is, all set up. Pretty neat. I do have this adapter to make this computer function like my 2013 or 2011 MacBook Pro. So I'm going to open this up next. It's just a USB, HDMI, and a card reader. So this allows this to function like the computer that's over there. And we get this all set up and yeah, looking pretty good so far.